Yo, what up, guys? This is, Jepoy once again. Just going one more time to the hiking trail that we just had since last week. And nandito na kami. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go keep continuing straight now. This is the the Fullerton Loop hiking trail, which is it's a very beautiful day. Today's, oh my god, March 27. Perfect day really to explore Orange County's one of the best hiking trails. Last week, if you guys saw our video with Matet, we went to Laguna Coast, and that was pretty awesome. We were not prepared on the stuff that we had, because we were expecting a beautiful weather. But today, napakaganda ng panahon. So we got our bottled water. We got our gear, to walk. I'm wearing an ADV. I'm actually EQT Adidas Support with full boost on it. Nice. So, here we are. But this is how it looks like. It's in the corner of Harbor Boulevard in Berkeley Avenue in Fullerton, and that's where the start was. And just imagine how so beautiful this trail is. Honestly, it's just quaint, and a lot of people are walking, enjoying their day. And it's 73 degrees. There's no way you can beat this kind of type of weather. This is amazing. Really, it's a really perfect timing to bring your family, like I brought my family today. Like I said, while I was in the car today, sabi ko kanina na meron na kaming isang isang kasama na sasama sa amin today, which is my son. That's Jeriel over there, and we're here, and I'm gonna experience it. What's it like, walking with these shoes and that I have. But I think it's pretty comfortable. I just want to take this advantage of this beautiful day. Really, guys, I hope you guys can experience this. 75 degrees, can't complain. Green grass, beautiful people, beautiful trail. All these trees are just very amusing. Kind of like it. Look at that. So for all the first timers na hindi pa nakakapunta rito, like I said, just go north towards from 91 west. You could go north to from, like, let's say coming from LA, right? If you're coming from LA, you can go 91 west and get off at Harbor Boulevard and go north, and then just all the way straight you'll see Berkeley Avenue, and that's the start. Landmark, there's a Supreme Court right there. We see all those cars are parked. Those are basically the car parking for the Supreme Court. Sabi daw ni Matet, stop vlogging. Oh, why? I wouldn't stop vlogging. I want to share this to all of you guys to see what's it like. Last week when we got to that what do you call that, Laguna Coast, honestly it was a great time, but it was just kind of raining, and the dirt was really like muddy and everything. But that didn't stop us, at least going through halfway through. We didn't go to the coast because it's starting to get too hazy on the mountain, so we just had to went down. But I think this time with this beautiful weather, oh my god, look at that, blue skies. With this beautiful weather, I don't think no one's gonna stop us to make this loop a whole full day of event of hiking, just enjoying your time with your family, with yourself, and obviously a good exercise too. Actually, they're there right now. Okay, they're waiting for me because I've been trying to figure out. Maybe I can upload it from the phone. Maybe I'll probably get some more content. What we're trying to do in our part of our daily lives is to have things and to have collect things. Oh, hey, how you doing, man? Hey, we won that day, right?
Twice.
Look what I just ran into. Twice, huh? Yeah, oh, wow. Twice. What's your name again? Trevor. Yeah, there you go, Jeffrey. We were playing at the Independence Park. Remember? Yeah. You're gonna go playing back over there again?
How's it true? My friend to do it. Huh?
Oh, it's our first time here, and I'm doing a vlog.
You got two paths, okay? If you go straight on this path right here,
right,
you're gonna get towards St. Jude Hospital.
Okay.
Take the left, just go downhill a little bit. That'll take you all the way kind of over by Sunny Hills High School.
Sunny Hills High School.
Yeah.
And there's that where we could see the lake over there, that like little pond.
Laguna? You want to go to Laguna Lake?
Is that what it's called?
There's
Laguna?
One over there.
How far is that?
It's gonna be that way.
It's gonna be that way.
A couple miles.
Couple of miles.
Then you have to go down Harbor and take that all the way there.
Okay.
It'll be in Laguna Lake, but this trail takes you. If you go straight, most likely you'll run into a path to get you to Laguna Lake.
Okay? I see.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Trevor. Sorry to get you hold up, man. My son recognized you, man.
Sorry, man.
And we're just trying to put this experience, man. You'll be probably in my vlog, but I'll see you in Independence Park.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, man. Thank you. All right.
We were waiting for a long time. Like, I said, oh, I know that guy. I remember him.
Look at how beautiful day is it, really. Matet, ano masasabi mo? Second time, first time right here.
Oh, I say it's nice to go up the hill again and with the good weather that we have right now.
Yeah, last week. I said last week, it was a good weather. It wasn't a good weather, but it was kind of hazy and raining for us.
Yeah, shower.
So it was a little showering, but like I said, this is how it looks like. And we're gonna go at least get over there as quickly as possible to experience the whole trail. But oh, look at this! This guy has a skateboard coming through right now.
Oh.
Battery powered, but oh wow, that's amazing.
Is that a bear? Where?
There's no bears there.
Where's the bear? And yes, we have somebody here with us.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Jorio.
By the way, we want to introduce in our part of our daily life's blog, ang aking anak, which is
His son,
my son, Jeriel. First time going on. Last time he was in school when we did that hiking on that Wednesday morning. And we didn't want to bring him because kasi umuulan rin eh.
yeah,
you know.
Get sick.
Well, right now we are enjoying this time. Look at how, like I said, I've been pointing so many times now about the blue skies, but hopefully you guys can see that clearly. It's so beautiful. Oh man, it's just so beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, we got it all. By the way, today I know that we probably might hike for a couple of miles, but that's not gonna stop us from discouraging because of all these beautiful weather, and we are so prepared because we have bottled water. We bought
sponsored by Fiji.
No, it's not sponsored by Fiji. You're crazy, but we like Fiji water. Really.
See, we're endorsing Fiji water right now.
No, we're not endorsing. We're just using it right now and consuming it because Fiji water is great.
I'm just joking, guys.
So this is our daily content. What do you think about the first time hiking with us, Anak?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it's all right.
First time hiking.
Yeah, we got all shoes all geared up. At least we got our boosts. Perfect.
What do you mean?
This is boost. This is
Boost? What's
this
a
is
boost?
this is not an ultra boost, but This is an EQT with it's a, I think, if I'm mistaken, if I'm correct, I think it's 9117 ADV equipment, and it's really nice to wear it right now and experience it. All right, looks like it's a good trail. Really beautiful day. Oh my god, I love this. Not too hot, not too cold, just perfect. 73 to 75 degrees. This trail is just a perfect way of, enjoying yourselves together with Fiji water. Look at that. I like Fiji. Really, they're good. Water's water anyways. Obviously when you're exercising, you don't need to drink a lot of Cokes and sodas, and this is the time for you to detox your body as you sweat it out and you
Hi guys.
Oh, hey Matet.
So yeah.
See, look how
exercising right now.
See what it looks like right here at the Fullerton Trail. Like couple of kids like walking their dogs. It's very safe, especially around this time in the afternoon. It's really nice just to experience what's it like. Even though we don't really know that they have some sort of a trailing hike right here, but I was looking all over the internet. What are the best hiking trails that we could find right here in Orange County? And this thing pops up, and I've never really been here and tried it. So that being said, since it's my day off today and it's her day off today, then we're gonna go freaking try this beautiful hiking trail.
Hi.
Ow. It wasn't that too rugged. If you notice it, that it's quite flat, a lot of flats.
Yeah, it's not
A lot of flats in the hiking trail. Hey, how you doing, man? Hello, hi, hello. Look at that dog. I miss dogs. I like dogs. It would be a perfect timing to come over here every Wednesdays or any time of the days that you guys want. Apparently, somebody's using their Fiji water already, and they're a little thirsty now. But it's always nice to be hydrated. You don't want to be dehydrated, so you hydrate, especially when you're, walking like this. Okay, so it looks like we've already reached that one point from there all the way to here now. We met that guy earlier today when we were talking to that one guy. Me and my son were playing basketball in this one basketball park, in this park, and they have an indoor basketball earlier. And that game, and that game was pretty awesome because we won those games, two games straight in a row. We played it, and I was teaming up with that guy, and that guy knows how to ball. The guy's pretty awesome.
So we're gonna go straight?
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go all the way straight and just experience this nature, part of nature in the city of Fullerton. Oh, your laces. You gotta go stop right here and wait for Jeriel. Cross street. There you go.
I think we walked a mile. Trail trail rules.
Okay, well, you know what? It looks like this trail has some few rules that we need to we need to keep in mind. But obviously, for the first timers, this is a better opportunity for you guys to look at it. I guess in common sense and everything, that's just the best bet. not to do any stupid stuff while you're walking. What your focus is actually like lose that calories, those calories that I had intake for the rest of the week. I guess. Beautiful, beautiful weather.
No, from where? You get straight. This house is good. Just remember, go straight. And go back.
Dad, can you hold my water bottle real quick?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go show YouTube on how many steps I'm monitoring. I'm using Samsung Health to track of my steps. And look. I'm already 2,000 steps since I started over there. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, there you go. It's back. It's the sun.
Really, really nice trail. Since I'm tracking all my steps. I want to see that. 2,000 and counting. My goal is to have 6,000 steps for today. I can have a Fiji bottle back. There you go.
You need to drink.
Not yet. I'm not that really thirsty yet. But I feel like those guys who's running around this trail right here, I feel like I wanted to go and run with them. But I'm wearing an ADV equipment, so I guess this is meant for like more like power walking or hiking. Probably I'll be wearing the other Ultra Boost I have back at home and do most likely a vlog right here. In here, someone's coming. See, look at that, biking around here. It's a really, really nice place for you guys to go and check it out.
A lot of people go here, huh?
Yeah, it does. It seemed that
Yeah.
it seemed, especially in a beautiful day, it'll
Like
probably
this, yeah.
it'll probably attract a lot of people that is really into, you know, being fit or just trying to
Being
maintain their
active.
body and active. And this is a best opportunity to do one of those, as being active is to discover hiking trails and just walk.
Or do biking, running. Oh, look at that. Is it a pond? What is that? Or just there's no water in it. What? For horses. You do have horses here? Oh, look at those benches, those wood benches.
Yeah, I guess that they put
Hey,
out
cool.
some mile mark. Hey Trevor, what's up, man? And please
Come
sit
in,
together.
friends. There's plenty of room. Please sit together.
Oh, that's so
Okay.
nice. That's
Cool.
just nice. That's just nice. Yeah, sit on it, Gerald.
Free bench. There you go.
How does it feel? It's hard. Yeah, of course, because it's wood.
Good. Hard a bit. Full of water into field. Clean. So, we're gonna go all the way straight. I don't know until we reach the top. I don't know how
There's
far
no
it
top.
is to go, but
But I don't know.
They
It's just
say
a couple of miles, like
no,
that
they
guy
say
said.
there's the lake if we could see the lake, that would be nice. I don't know if we can reach there, but it's a couple of miles or. See those view. All those trees. Oh, they're to bring his babies here. We can post them.
See how beautiful this trail is. Like everybody, it's just really family friendly. Just people having a great time. Just being their own space and you know appreciating what the weather it's like. Okay.
Yeah, nothing can beat this weather.
I know, huh?
Nothing can beat
Yan ang
this
sabi
weather.
niya.
So
Yan sabi niya, nothing can
exactly.
beat this weather because we're in springtime right now. So this
Yeah,
is
I
really
love spring.
perfect opportunity to be around here. Oh, we're underneath the bridge. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh.
Go there. This one is more flat than the one in Laguna. More like up.
Yeah, it's because we're actually that's on
This
a
one is
hill.
like more like flat.
It's more
areas,
yeah, it's really flat. And we're technically like right behind some buildings that like I think this is a hospital. Not really sure. But this is what it like starting from that point right there from where we at. It's just really great. So for you folks that haven't been here, please try it. I mean, I encourage it to get out in there and do some outdoor activities. Spending time with the family is just really perfect. Your friends or your loved ones with your especially if you have dogs that likes to have long walks. This is a great place to go. I'm not saying that this is only the great place. There's a lot of them. Since like I upload a video from that last week. That place in Laguna Coast was awesome too. But we're gonna go back again and experience it of being in a different weather.
I think the Laguna Coast Trail is a little
The Laguna
far.
Coast.
It's really far.
Well, the Laguna Coast, if you
Like,
considered it, it's off the 405. We went to the 405 freeway going south, on Irvine, and then you get off at the 133 highway, which is a little, that freeway too, that brings you to Laguna Beach. And along the Laguna Beach, you go down at least 4 miles from getting off from the ramp from the 405, and you get to see that one signs. There's a lot of signs on your right side. It says Laguna Trail, hiking trails, and that's where we went. It's about from here. Let's say, I guess coming from Fullerton, it's about 15-minute to 20-minute drive.
so where are we going now? It's just going straight.
Ano ba siya? Going now? Just keep walking. Bakit nagugutom ka na?
No, I'm just saying, I want to see the lake. I don't know where to go there. Just like there's a road down here. I don't know if we're.
It's a couple of miles, so you can't. You gotta go be patient.
No, I'm saying I don't know if this is the right way to go there. Or are we getting wrong?
It should actually follow this trail. It'll probably bring that to Laguna Trail. That's about it because this is a loop. Check it out right now. That's a good question that she came out. She's just so anxious every time. She's just anxious on a lot of stuff and want to figure it out. Show me the images of Fullerton Loop hiking trail. Okay, Mr. Gerald is the one who's gonna do it.
So, how's life? Okay, no.
I'm looking at it right now.
Okay. Here it goes, guys. No, we don't get it. Oh, 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 I tripped. If you guys tell me 1v1 me in Fortnite, you can if you want to, but that's alright. Check out my gaming channel. Yeah, my gaming channel. Huh? Okay. I don't know what road is this, but I think we're going to a loophole. So
It looks like we are in Juanita, Morelia Avenue. So this thing continues from this side. A lot of people are walking over there, but we're gonna go through. We're gonna go press this. So we're gonna cross the street. Oh, she's wearing, by the way, Ultra Boost X. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh my God. All right, we let them pass through. So we're actually just keep continuing this little trail, and we're just like crossing the street. And this was great. Sorry about that if you guys had to see that. Unfortunately, someone's being in an emergency. But in a few more minutes, we're gonna be staying on this video, and we're gonna go pause it for a bit. And once we get through, there's just one. This is a continuous of the trail. You just don't know where we're actually kind of headed. So I'm gonna go get some information real quick. How do we get to that lake? And I think we're gonna get to that lake, and so I'll pause this in a few more minutes. But this is how it looks like. Oh, you're tired now?
my leg.
Your leg?
When I was running down, I was like that. And I tripped.
Beautiful day. You didn't trip.
Yeah, I was like that.
They said this loop is total of 11 miles. So obviously I'm not gonna walk more than 11 miles. We just wanted to see what feels like, or wanted to feel what if, you know, walking through these trails. And oh, calling me.
Why are you calling me?
I think this is one of the hiking trails. We're like in a little neighborhood that gets around here. But this is it, folks. This is basically it. I'm pretty sure that they're starting to get tired and everything and get hungry. But that's the point of hiking, right? Is to actually be active. So keep hydrated, that's what it is. And like I said, you guys, thank you for spending your time on this video. I'm gonna come back for the part 3 of this hike. And when we get over there, we'll get to see the that lake, Laguna Lake. All right, folks, thank you, and I'll see you in a bit.